Hi Pre-K and Kindergarten, this is Mrs. Soto, your art teacher. Today's our very first art lesson and we're going to be making name designs. So this is backwards, but this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. The first thing that we need to do is to get all of our art supplies. Today you're going to need markers or crayons. If you don't have both, you could use one or the other. And you need a pencil and an eraser. So pause this video and then get all the supplies and then come back again and press play. All right, after you have all those supplies, let's get started. So we're gonna be writing our name, and then all around our name are different kinds of lines. We have wavy lines. These purple lines are wavy. We have pink zigzag lines, and we have a dashed, it's called a dashed line. It's lots of little short lines put together to make one big long line. And this line, I guess I would call a bumpy line, this orange line that goes around my name. That's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna move the camera and show you what it's gonna be like. Whoop, there's the camera moving. Okie dokie. So, there's my lines. That's my project. And here's the piece of paper to get started. So first things first, you're gonna write your name. And I know sometimes it's tricky to write your name. I want you just to try your very best. So I'm gonna start out by writing Mrs. Soto. It starts with an M. Let's see what happens. And I'm using my pencil. S. Oh no, what is going on? Did I run out of room? I did. I ran out of room. So we can't make it too big or you're going to run out of space. So let's go on the back. I'm going to use my hand to show me. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to leave this space empty and I'm going to write a little smaller. And that's better. I think I can fit my whole name. Mrs. Soto. Then after I write my name with pencil, I'm going to use a marker to trace on top of it. If I use yellow, do you think the yellow is going to hide my pencil? I don't think so. Let's see. No, I can really see my pencil. So I'm going to pick a dark color. I'm going to do blue. So pick a dark color to trace your pencil. And after this, we're going to start using some lines. Mrs. Soto. Next, I'm going to do a line around my name. Let's see. How about I do green, and I'm going to make a straight line around my name. It's going to be a straight line here, straight line up, straight line over, straight line down. You don't have to do a straight line. You can do any kind of line you want. Then I'm going to pick orange. And let's see, what other kinds of lines can I do? Ooh, I could do a line that reminds me of a shark fin. Let's see what happens. Now it gets a little tricky for me to go upside down, so I'm going to turn my paper. There we go. And you know what would be very boring? It would be so boring if I only use orange. So let's change it up. Maybe I'll use green again or blue again, or I could use a new color. I'll use blue again. This time I'll do a dashed line. A dashed line is a line made up with lots of little dots. Now, if you're having a hard time, just try your best. It's going to look excellent no matter what. Just try your best. And I think I'm going to finish up with a zigzag line, and I'm going to use pink. It's getting crowded near the edges of the paper. That's okay. You might have to go right off the edge, and that's all right. Whoop, I ran out of space. I'll do little tiny zigzags in there. And there we go. That is my finished name design. So when you do yours, we have two objectives. Every time we have art, we're going to have some objectives. Today's objectives are, we are making lines and we want to have neatness. We want to have nice, neat lines. Those are your objectives for today. Objectives means what we want to learn or what we want to do. So try your best. When you're done, I want you to send me a picture of your drawing. There's instructions in Seesaw for how to send me your picture. Thanks, bye.